بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Abase.
To cause yourself to appear to be less significant or to not deserve respect. My friend abased himself before the neighbors.
मेरे दोस्त ने अपने आप को पड़ोसियों के सामने रिस्वा कर दिया.
Don't abase yourself in front of your wife.
अपनी अहलिया के सामने खुद को न गिराओ, यानी अपने स्टेटस का बहुत ख्याल रखो.
Abasement.
The demonstration of causing somebody to appear to be less significant or less meriting regard. It would be an abasement to you, if you go there. Slaves were exposed to an existence of degradation and abasement. I am humiliated every moment. I endure it all. I got myself into this abasement. Subscribe please. It is all for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.